Today, I'm teaching you guys how you guys can make custom emojis on Discord. So it's pretty simple. So first, you want to get an emoji. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to get a custom emoji for myself. I'm just going to say happy face. Now, you can search for any image you want. This is going to be the emoji I want. So what I'm going to do is download this image. What I'm going to do is just hold on the image and click on Save to Photos. Now, once the image is added, what I need to do is open my Discord, and on my Discord, I need to go on the server which I own and make sure the server is the one which you own. Alright, you cannot do this on other people's server. Once you're on the server you own, click on the three dot at the top right of your screen. Once you click on the three dot, you want to click on the option called Settings. Now, from inside Settings, you can see the option called Emoji. Click on Emoji, and over here, click on Upload Emoji, and from over here, choose the photo which you like. So this is going to be my emoji, and it's going to show you a little crop feature. So this is going to be my emoji. I'm going to crop it to the size I want. So I will click and choose, and the emoji is going to be uploaded. Once the emoji is uploaded, this emoji is going to be a VI level in my server. Anyone who wants to use the emoji, they can use it. As you guys can see, I can click on it and the emoji will be added. Just like this. That's how we guys can add emoji on your server. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.